For the third and final part in this series, we will look at conducting a task-oriented bias evaluation. In this example, we'll be using the Lycon Dream Shaper 7 model for our evaluation. Get started by copying the model name and inputting it into the TBYB interface. When you've loaded your model, test it out by feeding it a random prompt. It looks like the model has been loaded properly, so let's get started with our evaluations. In the previous video in this series, we looked at extracting general bias characteristics of text-to-image models. This time, we're going to demonstrate how you can target a specific task or object for your evaluations. Let's look at how burgers are represented in our target model. The COCO dataset contains a large number of natural language prompts. Given a task or target, we extract a selection of prompts from the dataset that contain that word. As we can see, the selected prompts also contain other objects that we expect to be generated. So, through designing our evaluation processes, we ask the following questions. Are there any objects specified in the prompt that are missing in the output? Or are there any objects that appear in the image without them being mentioned in the prompt? And finally, do the output images align with what was asked by the input prompts? Our proposed metrics help us in quantifying model biases and assist in answering these questions. We see that hamburgers appears in the top 20 objects detected. This is because in the prompt, a singular burger was specified, but the model chose to generate more than one. Similar to the previous video, we can view our generated images by moving to the appropriate tab. Here we can also download our generated images and a list of the prompts that were used to generate them. If we go back to our task-oriented evaluation tab, we can save and upload our burger bias evaluation result. With these results saved, we can navigate to the Model Comparison tab and compare this evaluation to others. You could choose to compare your burger evaluation to others from different models, or you could compare bias characteristics for different tasks. Overall, this app is a step forward toward quantifying text-to-image, generative model biases, and we hope you contribute with your evaluations. This is the end of this video series for now, and we hope that you try your models out before you deploy a biased model.